Join us as we dive into the world of turmeric and see if I can actually feel its heart-saving benefits with a week of daily doses. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and its powerful anti-inflammatory properties have made it a popular supplement in modern times. Heart disease is a major problem in modern society, affecting millions of people worldwide. Inflammation plays a significant role in the development of heart disease, and it's a leading cause of death globally. Many people are unaware of the risks of heart disease and the importance of taking preventative measures. The impact of heart disease on health is overwhelming, with many people experiencing debilitating symptoms and reduced quality of life. Heart disease can also have a significant emotional toll on individuals and their families. The science behind turmeric is fascinating, with its active compound curcumin being the key to its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation by inhibiting certain enzymes and cytokines in the body. This can lead to a range of health benefits, including improved heart health. Turmeric has also been shown to have antioxidant properties, which can help protect against cell damage. The combination of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties makes turmeric a powerful tool in the fight against heart disease. By reducing inflammation and protecting against cell damage, turmeric can help support heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have consistently shown the effectiveness of turmeric in supporting heart health. Many people have reported significant improvements in their overall health after incorporating turmeric into their diet. The benefits of turmeric are not limited to heart health, with many people also experiencing improvements in joint health and digestive health. Some studies have even suggested that turmeric may have anti-cancer properties, making it a promising area of research. The evidence is clear. Turmeric is a powerful supplement that can have a significant impact on overall health. There are many forms and blends of turmeric, and they are always being upgraded. The latest research shows that the two newest forms are the most bioavailable and powerful. The first one is CurQfen, with fenugreek, which is great for inflammation that contributes to heart disease. The second one is Longvida, which is being used in research for cognitive issues, since it is the only blend that has shown it can actually cross into the brain to reduce inflammation. Incorporating turmeric or curcumin into a heart-healthy lifestyle is simple and can have a significant impact on overall health. By reducing inflammation and protecting against cell damage, turmeric can help support heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Join the conversation and let us know in the comments below if you've had any experiences with turmeric. If you're looking for more tips on heart health, be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, be well.